Okay, because my previously video has stopped. This is next, and after this job has done, the arms, the shock absorber, the drive shaft, I can perform the last operation, the last job. This 3 screw, one here, one here, and one here. I will do this job very careful because I need this screw, and I will try to offer maximum protection during this operation. And I will unscrew, put the WD-40, screw again, unscrew, screw again till the bolt will be removed, totally removed. But before, have to remove the ABS sensor, which is located this one, his wire, and here. This is brake sensor. Two screw is already done. This is the last one, and all of this stuff will be removed. Okay.